Hi everyone, are you looking smartphone gimbal for Android? This video is made to help you find the best smartphone gimbal for Android. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. Links all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. If you want to see stay update latest technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Brand name, Hohem, model number, iSteady M6. The iSteady M6 is a professional 3-axis smartphone stabilizer ideal for vloggers, live streamers, vacationers and filmmakers who want to create smooth and steady content. It features a magnetic fill light integrated with an AI vision sensor which offers face and object tracking during the day or at night. iSteady M6 gimbal integrates the iSteady 7.0 stabilization algorithms, helping you to capture on-the-move and shake-free creations that wow. No matter if you are walking or running, you can always film with flawless stabilization and create smooth footage. The payload is up to 400 grams, which makes the gimbal work with most smartphones. The Hohem iSteady M6 is entirely made out of lightweight plastic. The Hohem iSteady M6 gimbal sports a 0.91-inch OLED display to show you the gimbal status, like whether it's connected via Bluetooth, the mode it's currently in, battery level and more. Seamlessly switch shooting positions and activate 360 degrees panning with one button in inception mode. The gimbal stabilizer has 2600 mAh built-in battery that can last up to 18 hours of continuous usage time. It supports reverse charging function, which allows you to charge your smartphone via the power out port on the gimbal while you are recording video without suffering from low battery anxiety anymore. Number 4. Brand name, AOCHUAN, model number, Smart XE. Smart XE phone gimbal is equipped with versatile compatibility of smartphones. Suitable for vlogging, live streaming, selfie, hiking and sports scenarios. One-click video button effortlessly switches between horizontal and vertical portrait mode for quick TikTok video or YouTube shorts. Smart XE is a handheld gimbal for novices. Without any learning pressure, you can learn to use it within 30 minutes. Equipped with the enhanced powerful brushless motors and 7.0 generation anti-shake algorithm for smooth and steady video output for professional videography. Easily connect your smartphone via Bluetooth for seamless operation. Start now to be a professional videographer with AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal Stabilizer. Number 3. Brand name, ZHIYUN, model number, Smooth 5. ZHIYUN Smooth 5 will be everything you love about filming with your smartphone. The 3-axis design allows movements in all angles to be amazingly smooth, even in extreme angles. Professional magnetic steel motors with upgraded algorithms and wider phone clamps ensure a safer and easier filmmaking experience. Strong compatibility allows mounting a phone even with wide-angle, telephoto, fisheye and macro lenses. Spin around with the 360 degrees vortex mode or expand your vision with the full-on tilt mode. A safer and easier filmmaking experience is ensured by professional magnetic steel motors with improved algorithms and a bigger phone clamp. The ZHIYUN Smooth 5 smartphone gimbal has a 2600 mAh battery that can last up to 12 hours. Number 2. Brand name, AOCHUAN, model number, Smart X Pro. Smart X Pro gimbal is equipped with one 3200 mAh battery to support its 8 hours long operation. Particular OLED panel can display the shot mode, battery life in real time. The gimbal status is visual anytime, thus facilitating beginners a lot. Equipped with the enhanced powerful brushless motors and smart 7.0 anti-shake algorithm, the video output smooth and steady to be a professional videographer. Suitable for various scenarios, such as vlogging, live streaming, selfie, hiking and sports. One-click video button to effortlessly switch from horizontal mode to vertical portrait mode, rapidly taking TikTok filmmaking and YouTube videos. With Smart X Pro Gimbal Stabilizer, the built-in video light with power button to light you up with 3 adjustable brightness levels. This foldable stabilizer is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, ensuring versatility for users. Carrying professional focus wheel and zooming rod, Smart X Pro supports real-time and accurate focus and zoom adjustment. Easily shoot professional portrait and landscape video. The built-in ring light in the mobile clip is nimble and nice. Benefiting from the 3-section adjustable brightness, night shots become equally splendid. With a professional zooming rod and focus wheel, X Pro offers accurate and real-time zoom and focus adjustment. Number 1. Brand name, AXNEN, model number, HQ6. AXNEN HQ6 features a 3-axis anti-shake design that mitigates shaking during filming for a more smooth video image. 3600 mAh large battery capacity, continuous use for up to 8 hours on a single charge. HQ6 has a built-in fill light with 3 colors of light and 3 adjustable brightness levels for each color. Ideal for overhead shots, easy to photograph small animals or plants. Very suitable for overhead photography, easy to capture small animals or plants. Use intelligent image recognition technology to track target surfaces, objects, animals, or buildings. Panoramic 180 degrees, panoramic 3:3 mode, capable of collecting large landscapes in single waterfall mode and clone me mode. Support creative dynamic time interval, trajectory time interval, and static time interval photography.